Alright guys, back at it again. It's time to put the new fuel pump in. I think this fuel pump is about to give up because it's making very high pitch noise. But let me show you guys what I got. Aeromotive fuel pump. I bought it from Summit Racing. Here we go. So it's the real Aeromotive fuel pump made in USA. It's the 355 Aeromotive, so it's bigger, it's stronger than I have. The one I have there is the 255. So I'll take you guys along how I'm gonna mount this again, but it's easy with a slight mod. So now the pump is down there. You gotta turn it counterclockwise, so it will snap off on his little latch there. Press down and you turn. That's it. The pump is out. Remember, you have to fetch also the gauge, the floater, the float, whatever you guys call it, and let it drain for a few minutes, like so. Okay, here you are. I have the entire assembly out. So as you guys can see, this is the 255 right there. It's just snug there. It's just nice and tight. You just pull it out and the entire thing should be out. Let's undo the connection here. It's out. Alright, so this is the one, the noisy pump. It's Aeromotive, made in USA again. It's about 2 years old only, and then it's making high-pitched sound, so I don't like it. It's about the same size, exactly same length. So let's get this done. This is the slight mod, a zip tie to hold this into place. The filter, I have to break, I have to cut the filter because this one will go like so in the bottom, the opposite way. So there's no way that housing can clamp on its place. Let's go. It's in. I can push the more. The filter is in the bottom here. That should be perfect. Alright guys, so quick view. I zip tied the connection right there. It's nice and secure, and also the fuel pump itself still has the rubber foam here, the anti-vibration, and here is the bottom one. So that should be perfect. Not to the reason I did it a little bit, if you guys notice, it's a little bit up there, basically flushed right there, so I cannot run my tank like very low, but also it's saving me from picking up any dirt and sand like this, the old one. Look how dirty is that thing. Other than that, let's just put the connection. Like so, easy drop. So now it's a matter of turning clockwise to secure the entire assembly in the tank. Okay, it's in. You guys can see it. Make sure the hand is clean. Look, it's not gonna go anywhere. That's about it. So this one, that's the tip. This one, the rubber basket here, the seal, goes in first, so it's easier to slide the cover and close down everything. So now the gasket is in. This one just slide on top like so. It's very easy. I mean, if you are used to it, it's easy. So now let's get the ring and finish. All right, so everything is back in place. It's just a reverse process from the removing step. So now I wipe off the excess WD-40 that I put earlier in the beginning of the video. Let's just plug back the battery in. Ignition on. Let's see, I gotta prime it a couple times. Okay, so I might have an issue here. I believe the positive and negative is reverse. I might have to do a quick flip about that. Alright, now I spill some gas in here, but we got gas, so I had to double check the connection. I don't know what was wrong with it, but anyway, now we got gas. Now she's alive. Checking for any leaks. Okay, no leaks. Let's put the cover on and call it a day. Alright, before we go for a drive, something I wanted to do for a long time is to replace the OEM oil cap with the Porsche design. Oh my god, that looks so lovely. Bang! I'm digging that. I was kind of worried that it's not gonna be straight when you tighten it, but it fits perfectly, nice and flush. I like that a lot. All right, let's drive. Oh, she feels so good right away. Whoa! Whoa! It's burning tires. I think that was on 15 pounds, but I'm not gonna add more. It's enough for now. I'm just happy she has all the power back. still so pumped. That's what I'm talking about. Well, park it, call it a day. Finally I can smell the turbo blanket heating up. Yeah. Woo, finally I can smell that. It's a lot of fun and I keep on going on boost. It's been a while. No complaint. And the fuel pump, the Aeromotive, it's so quiet. Everywhere you go, there's always someone. All right, let's call it a day. Really quick. I love driving her. Oh my gosh.